Welcome back everyone. So first of all, here you can see this is store coming soon. So this is the by default WooCommerce setting, which tells the there's a development undergoing on your website. So if you will click on it, so you can make it to live. Okay, so because if its status will be coming soon, so whatever you will make the changes on your website, that will not reflect over your front end. Okay, so I'm just making it to live. So whatever the changes I will make, that will now reflect on my website. Here you can see its status is live now over here. Okay, so next is I just want to tell you about menus. So I'm just going to appearance. In the appearance, I just need to go to menus. So basically there are different type of menus. This is the header menu and these are footer menus. So if you have to create a new menu, just click on create a new menu and just give it a name. I'm just giving it footer menu 1 and I'm creating the menu by clicking on create menu button. Once you have created, now you can add the pages from over here. You can select view all or most recent, and whatever the pages you want to add, you can just add over here and click on add to menu. Now these pages have been added. If you want to remove any page, then you can just click over here and you can click on remove. And if you want to change the title, then you can change the title from here. Okay, and after that just click on save menu. So here you can see the footer menu one, and you can also change from over here the settings which footer you want to set, whether it want to set it to primary menu, header menu or footer menu. So I'm just setting the footer menu. And if you have to change the already existing menu, so you can just click over here. So these are four menus which are created. So like I just want to change to social media, I need to select it, and after that I just need to click on select. So this is the social media. I'm just going to make some changes it to YouTube, and I'm just clicking on after that. So there's no need to make I just need to click on save menu because I have done some changes. So here you can see it's YouTube. If it's Facebook over here, if I will refresh the page, so now it will display YouTube. Here you can see. So like this you can just make the changes, and so that's about the menus. Another thing is widgets. So I'm just going to widgets. So here you can see these are the footer widgets, and so this is the footer widget. This is social media resources. So this is the menu basically. So here you can see, so they have added the navigation menu. You can also add the, suppose I'm just picking it up and I'm dropping over here. So this is the navigation menu. I can select any menu. So in the first menu it's selected menu. Now I am selecting footer menu one which I have just created, and I am clicking on save button. So and you just need to go away from this page to see the changes. So I'm just clicking on some pages, like I'm clicking on menus. So once you will go away from that page, now you can refresh and you will see your changes. Sometimes due to cache it does not display. So what I need to do is I just need to go to the new incognito mode and I will see the changes. So here you can see it is showing two menus. This was already there and this I have added, that is footer menu one, which I just created. If you remember, shopping I changed. So if I have to remove this, so what I need to do is I will go to the widgets and I can just remove this by clicking on delete. And you can add anything from over here. These are the available widgets which you can use over here. So I'm just going to show you about some using image. So I'm just using the image and I'm adding the image. So I'm just selecting this one and I'm just clicking on save. So let me refresh the page. So I just need to go away from this page. So once you will go away from that page, you can just see the changes, but it is not showing the changes. Sometimes there is cache issue in the widgets. I just need to go to widgets again and check if still there, the image is still there. Okay, I just need to click on done and let me go to refresh the page. Sometimes it takes time to come over here. That happens in the case of widgets only. So here you can see now the image is available. In widgets it takes some time to reflect the changes. So I'm just going to back. So that's the widgets. You can add anything which is available over here. You can add over here. This is the footer widget 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also make the changes from the number of footer widgets, like it is showing 4. If you want only 3, then you can just click on customize. In the customize you will see that is footer widgets. You just need to go to widgets. Okay, it is not showing option over here, so you can just go to footer builder. So here you can see it is showing these 4. So one is copyright and another is widget 1. Here you can see these are the same option, like image you can delete from over here as well, and you can add widget from over here as well. You can add anything from here which you like. And this is the design. If you want to make some changes, like how much space you want to give, as an example I'm giving the space is more, I'm just reducing the space. So you can do that. Here you can see the changes over here. You can notice the changes. So I'm just giving 20 and here I'm giving 50. So here you can see the changes, but it is not looking good, so I'm just keeping it as default. So like this you can make the changes. And for footer also, if you will go to the option of, you can also create menus from over here as well. You can create new menu from here. You can edit the menus. Okay, and you can change the location. So I just want to show you, like there's an option which display like how many. So there will be an option over here like how many footer widget you want. This is for the header, like these are the what you want to display in the header. So in header it is site title and logo. So you can change the settings from over here. And uh, so some settings are over here also you can just do from over here. So in the global, actually in different themes there are the different settings, because this is a different theme so it has different themes and it has different settings over here. If you will select some another theme, so that will have another their different properties and settings from here. So it is not showing that option of the footer, but there will be some option over here. Okay, just let me go to the footer and I'm just clicking over here. So here you can see I have just clicked over here. So it is showing 4 columns. If I want it to be 3, just I need to select 3. So it will display only 3. If I will select only 2, then it will display 2. And if I will select 6, then it will display 6. So you can customize each and everything over here as I told you earlier in the WordPress. You just need to find the settings. So I just clicked over here and it display me this. So every theme has their different settings as per the theme. Okay, so like this you can make the changes. So now it is showing 2, but that's fine. I just need to discard the changes. Okay, so next is about the WooCommerce products. So basically this is the website and here you can see this is the products. So you can customize the products as well. Okay, so like this is the product. What you need to do is you can just go to WooCommerce and just go to products. So it will display all of the products and you can, there are two options to edit it. One is just click on edit and another is quick edit. In the quick quick edit you will get the options over here and you can make the changes whatever you want, and after that you can click on update. After clicking on edit it will display you, just click on edit, it will display whole page where you can make the changes. Okay, so whatever changes you want to make you can just click on that, do that changes, and after that click on update button. So I am just going to show you how to add a new product. If you have to add a new product, so you can just add, first of all you need to give the name of your product, then product description, whatever you want to. I'm just taking this example, dummy data and issues, and you have to set a product image. You can just click over here and just set the product image. If you have to set product gallery, just select over here and select the gallery. And after that category, if you want to add a new categories, like I'm adding formal shoes and I want the category as shoes as a parent category. So I'm just selecting the parent categories as shoes and I'm clicking on add new category. And here you can see in the shoes, it is formal shoes right now. And product tags, you can add like shoes, click on add, formal shoes, click on add. So this is good for search engine optimization. You can add good product tags. This is the brand you can select, or you can create new brand and select. Next is product short description. So you can just add a short description. And the important part is of this page is this one. So first of all, this is virtual and downloadable. So this is for digital product, but our is a shoes, so that's not a digital product. So there's no need to select it. Regular price is, as an example, is this. I'm going to sell it for 7.99. Tax status you can select. I'm selecting 18% GST. And after that, this is the inventory. You can give the details as per your requirement. Shipping details you can give. So these are some detail, but only this one is very important. You need to mention the sale price and tax related information in this. And that's it. You can just click on publish. So this is published. And if I will go to the shop page, so it will display all of the product. So let me check over here. So this is the shop page. Here you can see this is the product I have added. So here you can see this is looking good and it has added so many things. So you can just click on edit product for that, and you can change see the settings, what the settings they have done to display this, and you can just copy paste that setting for this as well. So if I will click on this, so this is really very good. Here you can see it is showing the checkout. What we can do is I can just add one more thing. I just need to go to plugins and I will add a plugin, that is timer. So I'm just selecting the timer. So here you can see this is the hurry timer, which is used in e-commerce website to show the should to display the countdown timer. There are so many, but you can, I'm just using this because it has good reviews, 20,000. So after that you just need to go to the settings of hurry timer and you need to create a campaign. Just click on add campaign and giving it some name. I'm giving a name and I'm selecting evergreen. I'm selecting 15 minutes and restart when expired immediately. And I'm going to WooCommerce and display on product page. Yes, I want to display it on product page as well, and I want to display it below price. So I'm just going to publish it. If I will refresh the page, so it will display a timer. Now it is showing 2. Why it is showing 2? That I need to check. Evergreen 15 minutes. Restart immediately on reset countdown now. I just need, okay, let me all product. I need to, there might be some another campaign. There might be 2 campaigns. Let me check. Okay, I need to click on all campaigns. So here you can see there's sometimes it has created. I'm just going to delete one campaign. So actually I created this campaign in earlier because, but in that video there was some sound issue. Okay, so I had to delete that video and I'm creating it again. So why it is still showing 2? Sometimes this is cache issue, so what I need to do is I just need to open it in incognito mode to see the changes. So it is still, I just need to click on edit, restart immediately evergreen, and okay, so I'm just clicking on update. So I just need to refresh. It will take some time because this is a cache issue. Let me open it again. Sometimes it takes few seconds to reflect the changes. Okay, so so this is fine. It will take some time to, after few minutes it will start displaying everything or the changes I have made. So if I will see over here, okay, that's fine. So after that, I just want to tell you about code snippets. So if you have to put some code onto your website, you can use the this WP code. And so here are the options you can use, and this is the snippet generators. And the main mostly thing is use this header and footer because sometimes you need to put add code of on your website, so you can just do it in header, body or footer. So you can just keep the code over here, you can put the code over here, and after that you can just click on save changes. Okay, so I think that's much about this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.